Number 1. Earn a good salary. It means to receive a high amount of money for work.
He works hard to earn a good salary. He works hard to earn a good salary. Nurses deserve to earn a good salary. Nurses deserve to earn a good salary. Most engineers earn a good salary. Most engineers earn a good salary.
Number 2. Earn money. It means to receive money in exchange for work or services.
She finds ways to earn money online. She finds ways to earn money online. Many people earn money by freelancing. Many people earn money by freelancing. He earns money working at a cafe. He earns money working at a cafe.
Number 3. Ease pain. It means to make pain less intense or severe.
Medicine can ease pain effectively. Medicine can ease pain effectively. She uses heat packs to ease pain. She uses heat packs to ease pain. Gentle exercises can ease back pain. Gentle exercises can ease back pain.
Number 4. Win an election. It means to be successful in a political election.
She hopes to win the election this year. She hopes to win the election this year. The party worked hard to win the election. The party worked hard to win the election. They celebrated when he won the election. They celebrated when he won the election.
Number 5. Life feels empty. It means to feel like life lacks meaning or joy.
Sometimes, life feels empty without friends. Sometimes, life feels empty without friends. After retiring, his life feels empty. After retiring, his life feels empty. Her life feels empty without music. Her life feels empty without music.
Number 6. End a relationship. It means to stop a personal or romantic relationship.
It was hard to end the relationship. It was hard to end the relationship. They decided to end their relationship amicably. They decided to end their relationship amicably. Sometimes, it's better to end a toxic relationship. Sometimes, it's better to end a toxic relationship.
Number 7. Enjoy a view. It means to take pleasure in looking at a scenery.
We enjoyed a view of the mountains. We enjoyed a view of the mountains. From here, you can really enjoy the view. From here, you can really enjoy the view. They built a deck to enjoy the view. They built a deck to enjoy the view.
Number 8. Really enjoy. It means to take great pleasure in doing something.
I really enjoy reading historical novels. I really enjoy reading historical novels. She really enjoys cooking for her family. She really enjoys cooking for her family. They really enjoy their vacation in Spain. They really enjoy their vacation in Spain.
Number 9. Enter a competition. It means to participate in a contest or challenge.
He decided to enter a competition for fun. He decided to enter a competition for fun. Many students enter competitions during college. Many students enter competitions during college. She entered a competition and won first place. She entered a competition and won first place.
Number 10. Enter into an argument. It means to start or become involved in a dispute.
They entered into an argument over money. They entered into an argument over money. It's easy to enter into an argument online. It's easy to enter into an argument online. She rarely enters into arguments at work. She rarely enters into arguments at work.
Number 11. Exchange addresses. It means to give each other your place of residence details.
We exchanged addresses to send holiday cards. We exchanged addresses to send holiday cards. At the meeting, they exchanged addresses. At the meeting, they exchanged addresses. Before leaving, let's exchange addresses. Before leaving, let's exchange addresses.
Number 12. Exchange ideas. It means to share thoughts or suggestions with each other.
During the workshop, we exchanged ideas freely. During the workshop, we exchanged ideas freely. It's good to exchange ideas in meetings. It's good to exchange ideas in meetings. They often exchange ideas on projects. They often exchange ideas on projects.
Number 13. Exchange money. It means to convert currency from one form to another.
You need to exchange money before traveling. You need to exchange money before traveling. She exchanged money at the airport. She exchanged money at the airport. Where can I exchange money here? Where can I exchange money here?
Number 14. Fail a drugs test. It means to test positive for illegal substances in a drug test.
He failed a drugs test last month. He failed a drugs test last month. The athlete failed a drugs test unexpectedly. The athlete failed a drugs test unexpectedly. If you fail a drugs test, there are consequences. If you fail a drugs test, there are consequences.
Number 15. Fail an exam. It means to not pass a test or examination.
She was upset because she failed an exam. She was upset because she failed an exam. If you fail an exam, try again. If you fail an exam, try again. Many students fear they'll fail an exam. Many students fear they'll fail an exam.
Number 16. Fail miserably. It means to be very unsuccessful in doing something.
He tried to bake a cake and failed miserably. He tried to bake a cake and failed miserably. Their plan to surprise her failed miserably. Their plan to surprise her failed miserably. The team failed miserably in the final. The team failed miserably in the final.
Number 17. Fall ill. It means to become sick.
She fell ill during the vacation. She fell ill during the vacation. Many students fall ill in winter. Many students fall ill in winter. He fell ill and couldn't attend. He fell ill and couldn't attend.
Number 18, fall in love. It means to start feeling love towards someone.
They met in college and fell in love. They met in college and fell in love. It's easy to fall in love in Paris. It's easy to fall in love in Paris. She didn't expect to fall in love so quickly. She didn't expect to fall in love so quickly.
Number 19, fall into a category. It means to be classified or grouped into a specific type.
This music falls into a new category. This music falls into a new category. That question falls into a difficult category. That question falls into a difficult category. Does this fall into the same category? Does this fall into the same category?
Number 20, fall into ruin. It means to become destroyed or severely damaged over time.
The old castle has fallen into ruin. The old castle has fallen into ruin. Many historic sites fall into ruin without care. Many historic sites fall into ruin without care. The vacant house quickly fell into ruin. The vacant house quickly fell into ruin.
Number 21, fall sharply. It means to decrease quickly and by a large amount.
Prices fall sharply during the clearance sale. Prices fall sharply during the clearance sale. The temperature will fall sharply overnight. The temperature will fall sharply overnight. Attendance at events fell sharply last year. Attendance at events fell sharply last year.
Number 22, fall silent. It means to suddenly stop talking or making noise.
The room fell silent when the director entered. The room fell silent when the director entered. Everyone fell silent during the poignant scene. Everyone fell silent during the poignant scene. The noisy crowd suddenly fell silent. The noisy crowd suddenly fell silent.
Number 23, fall steeply. It means to decrease rapidly and significantly.
Interest rates fell steeply this quarter. Interest rates fell steeply this quarter. His approval ratings have fallen steeply. His approval ratings have fallen steeply. Stock prices can fall steeply on bad news. Stock prices can fall steeply on bad news.
Number 24, rate falls. It means to decrease in value, amount, or frequency.
The unemployment rate falls when new jobs are created. The unemployment rate falls when new jobs are created. The crime rate falls in safer neighborhoods. The crime rate falls in safer neighborhoods. As production increases, the error rate falls. As production increases, the error rate falls.
Number 25, feel at home. It means to feel comfortable and relaxed, as if in one's own home.
She quickly felt at home in the new city. She quickly felt at home in the new city. Make your guests feel at home. Make your guests feel at home. I always feel at home at Grandma's house. I always feel at home at Grandma's house.